Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we will be learning how to draw a simple yet charming book. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, we will sketch the outline of the book. Start by drawing a large rectangle slightly tilted to give the book a more dynamic look. This will be the front cover. Now next draw another rectangle behind it slightly overlapping the first one. This will represent the back cover. Connect the corners of the two rectangles with straight line to form the spine of the book. Now let's add some details to the spine. Draw parallel lines along the spine to give it some thickness. You can also add a few horizontal lines across the spine to represent the book's binding. Time to add the pages. Inside the front cover, draw a series of thin parallel lines to represent the pages. Make sure these lines follow the angle of the front cover to maintain perspective. Do the same inside the back cover. You can add a few curved lines at the edges to show the page's thickness. Let's add some details to the book cover. Draw a rectangle within the front cover, leaving some space from the edges. This will be the border of the cover design. Inside this rectangle, you can add any design or text you would like. For example, draw a smaller rectangle or an oval shape to represent a title label. To give our drawing more depth, we will add some shadows. Shade the edges of the book cover and spine lightly. You can also add a shadow beneath the book to make it look like it's resting on the surface. For the final touches, you can add any extra detail you would like, such as bookmarks or decoration on the book cover. Use an erase to clean up any unnecessary line and your book drawing is complete. And there you have it, a simple and beautiful book drawing. Don't forget to add your personal touch and creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumb up and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more drawing tips and tutorial. Happy drawing. Thank you.